Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's your girl Marian. Welcome to A&C Family Channel. So guys, today I'm gonna be making stew. So I want you guys to join me as I make my stew, and I want to show you how I make my odogune pempe stew. Yeah, I want to make odogune pempe stew, which is how to make um wife material stew. So guys, let me show you around what I'm gonna be using. Yeah. This is my washed fish, and this is my drilled tomatoes because I don't like my tomatoes without drilling it. Yes, I cannot use it without drilling it. And this is my pot I'm going to be using. It's already on the fire, so I'll put ground oil. And this one is my meat, my boiled meat. I've already boiled it already with ingredients. And these are the things I'm going to be using. Come join me, guys, as I make my odogone pimpi stew. Yeah. Right now, I'll be adding my oil. Oh yes. Put it aside. Then this fish, let me add. Let me put salt. The plate is too small. So all right. Fry this so well, so it's gonna break. I don't want. This is amazing. Do you love what you're seeing? So guys, time to put our onions. So I will start frying it. So I'm gonna be using my sunny stick. After some time, some minutes, this is the outcome of the tomatoes. So it's time to put our ingredients now, alright? So I'm gonna be adding my Maggi. My salt. My curry. Small time. You don't really need to blend onions all the time, okay guys? You don't really need to blend your onions every time. Sometimes you just have to slice it. So I'm gonna be putting this one. I really love using these ingredients. So this is the half. This very well. It's okay, don't need much. So let me add meat so that everything will be working together for good. So let me start adding the meat so that everything will be working together for good, guys. Oh my god. So you see it. This is the reason I said odogbone epempe stew. Wife material stew. So guys, now we'll be adding our meat, the water. This is the water. Add it to it. Alright. It's time to put this crayfish. So guys, I've already washed it. Now let's put everything like okay, at the roll. There is no time to waste. So let's start gallanting our food. Boy. Let me hide the guys a little. Okay, let's turn it. Guys, I will advise you whenever you are making your stew. Maybe you want to add water to your stew, maybe it's too thick. So I'll advise you to use warm water. Don't use cold water, guys. Don't use cold water. Warm water is very nice. It's more better. Even making your stew, maybe you are frying your egusi soup also. All right, you can also use warm water. Cold water is not really nice. Cold water is not nice. So I'm gonna be using, I want to add water to the stew. We are not going to be eating the meat alone. We still need stew to eat the food. So let me quickly warm water. So guys, look at the warm water. I'm going to be adding this warm water to it. Just small warm water, okay? I'm not going to be eating meat. So let me add it to it. Just small, don't need much. Okay. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna leave it to everything is set. Everything is set. Let me cover it. Now it's time to wash our dishes. So let me quickly wash the dishes while the stew is boiling. These are the dishes I use. I didn't use much, so let me just quickly wash them. So being a woman is not an easy job. Oh no. Honestly, to be a woman is not an easy job. Okay. So guys, I'm done washing the plates. All right. So guys, I'm done washing the plates, and let's check our stew. Ta-da-da! So the stew is ready. You see the reason I add water to the stew. Hope you're seeing the reasons. Now our stew is ready, guys. What do you think about the stew? Give it a credit if you love what I've seen. Very easy, okay? I didn't really need to stress myself blending. No. It's not all the time you blend and blend. Bam! Simple recipe, simple. Check this stew out. It's really 16, like it's giving. I want to cook rice and beans, so it's time to cook rice and beans. This stew is gonna work with rice and beans. So it's time to bring down our food. Okay. Guys, I'm going to be cooking rice and beans. This is my water here, so let me cover it. When the water boils, I have to put the beans inside. Guys, water is ready, so let's put this. Let me show you how I cook my beans and rice. Oh God, there were time, so I have to leave it for some time. Then after then I'll wash it. So guys, it's time to drain the water out. So guys, this is warm water from the pipe, so I'm washing it here. So I'm gonna be adding salt. Let's start washing. The rice was small, so I have to add little one.
Me too. Okay.
So after washing it for the second time, this is the third time, I have to risk it. So I have to leave it like this until it's time to add it to the beans, okay? So guys, did you see it? This is time. So I want to add water now. Guys, this is warm water. I'm still using warm water. Warm water is more better. Don't use cold water.
Okay.
My son is saying okay. So guys, guys, I haven't had salt on the food because I do not have salt now. Let me pause this.
Sleeping too much. What? Because I'm not sleeping. I'm not awake. And playing with the living room, kind of a phone, hands, distance. Help! What? Okay? Yeah. Now I'm enough milk. What? No! How are you going?
So guys, our rice and beans is ready. It's time to dish. Okay, it's time to eat.
One, two, three. L-B-W-W. One, yeah. 1, 2, 3. You're talking. Talking you do. The oh, we see you.
I'm okay with this. For
No.
me, I'm very much okay with this.